So in my Fitness Pal, you can actually create bulk recipes and meals if you use the same meals and recipes all the time. So all you're going to do is if you click on the top three bars at the top, it'll take you to this page here. And if you go to meals or recipes, meals and foods, click on that one. And at the bottom, you're going to see create a recipe. So create a recipe. Then you're going to say add ingredients manually. And you're going to say, let's just call it a fish pie. And always put this as serving number of just one serving, okay? And I'll explain why in a minute. Then go next, and then you're going to just add ingredients. So if you press add ingredients, and you're going to say, let's just say you had a tinned fish. I would just search for tinned fish, okay? So for argument's sake, let's just go with this one. And this recipe is going to have 4 tins of fish. So you just type in 4 tins of fish and it'll give you the amount of calories. Then let's just say you're going to go and you're going to use potatoes. You know, potatoes. I'll just say white potatoes, press search, and then I will come down and I would use this 100 gram version here. And you're going to say you're going to have 400 grams, and you're going to hit that, press save, and you're going to hit that button at the top. So then what you're going to do is that the whole meal itself will come to 1040 calories. Obviously, if you've got more ingredients in that, you know, we'll calculate this slightly differently. Then you're going to hit next, and then you're going to say, well, how many servings is this going to make? And this is, if it's for 4 people, then you just change that to 4, and it automatically give you all the numbers and stats that you need for that meal, which means that you don't have to enter your greens every single time you do it. If you use the same recipe over and over and over, you can just go into your recipes and add that in. So if I press save, I can just add that to my diary, and then straight away then it's added my fish pie in one serving, 260 calories, and that is how you do it. So then if you're going to come back and let's just say you want to, so we go into tomorrow and you're going to say for lunch I want fish pie again, you click on the recipes tab and then you're going to find fish pie and add that in, and then it'll self-populate for everything that you do. Hopefully that answers the question, creating bulk recipes and adding in recipes.